The health benefits and uses of lavender oil. 1. Lavender essential oil is widely used for its wonderful aroma around the world. It is also used as a natural remedy for many ailments. 2. Lavender is a beautiful purple bush in the mint family. It is one of the most popular herbs in the world. The flowers are dried and infused into a carrier oil to make lavender essential oil. 3. This is often used to make wonderful soaps, perfumes and other cosmetic products due to its gentle antibacterial properties. 4. The aroma of the lavender contains compounds which have a calming effect on the central nervous system. Inhaling this oil calms the mind and body by helping the body to regulate adrenaline. 5. Lavender essential oil can also be added to an oil burner and heated to produce a warm and inviting fragrance for homes, offices and businesses. 6. A drop of the oil can be rubbed into bee and insect stings to reduce pain and swelling. 7. You can also rub this into the skin for minor burns such as those from spilling a hot drink. The lavender soothes pain instantly and prevents redness. 8. A few drops of lavender oil can be mixed with coconut oil and applied to the face. This clears up acne by destroying the bacteria which causes spots. 9. Lavender is also wonderful for enhancing the flavour in delicious recipes. 1 to 2 drops can be added to salad dressings to provide internal health benefits for the human body. 10. Taking this internally can be used for those with diabetes. Studies have shown this to protect the body from diabetic symptoms. 11. It has also been shown to lower anxiety, depression and stress. Using this in an oil burner or lamp can help you to sleep at night. 12. Inhaling lavender oil helps to reduce oxidative stress in the brain and improves brain function. 13. In medicine, lavender is often prescribed to help those who suffer with claustrophobia or a fear of small spaces. 14. We recommend adding a few drops of this oil to your bathwater. This will allow for deep relaxation before enjoying a peaceful night's sleep. 15. This can also be added to a steamer and inhaled to treat cold, flu, bronchitis, asthma and hay fever. 16. It can be gently massaged into scar tissue and stretch marks. Over time, this tissue will break down, leaving healthy new skin cells. 17. Dried lavender flowers and sprigs were traditionally placed in wardrobes and cupboards to add a wonderful fragrance to clothing. 18. To learn more about natural remedies and essential oils, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated and remember to subscribe for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.